when we were making Patal Lok, nobody was that kind of sure कि अच्छा ये बहुत कमाल का कुछ बना रहे हैं.
And then Rang De Basanti was a film that I was working on as an assistant director.
Right.
Because I was assisting Rakesh on Aks. He did Lal Kaptan, which was just completely out there. So
मुझे दिल चाहता है भी कमाल लगी थी.
Yeah, Dil Chahta was.
What
he was
timing,
amazing.
मतलब.
That was
He
his
amazing.
breakthrough, I think.
Oof.
Dil Chahta Hai, yeah.
Because जाने जाए स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अलग है.
बहुत अलग है.
उसका जो वहाँ जो एक तो मैं खुद बहुत ही अपने ही उसमें था कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा बात नहीं करता था.
I want to know कि how long did it take for you to pick up the choreography?
6 महीने.
About 6 months
हाँ,
or
कुछ
something.
साल भर.
Yeah, मुश्किल, बहुत
She
सच
believed
में?
it. बट फ्रेशर पार्टी पे तो आप एफटीआई में आए हो. यू आपका जो सत्संग पीरियड है वो भी खत्म हो गया है, तो उस दिन तो आप नाचते हो खुले हो.
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with team Jewel Thief. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very good.
Great. So first things first, I just want to ask you ki how does it feel to be a part of such a glamorous, snazzy Sid Anand world? Sometimes is it just fun to let your hair down and have fun?
Totally. I think it's very different from anything that any one of us have done.
Yeah.
It's a whole new world for us. Saif has obviously done a
Yes.
bunch of these and done them really well. But for the three of us, we've never stepped into this kind of world, and it's been a lot of fun. I think a film like this seems very simple to make.
Exactly.
But
It's
actually,
not.
these are actually the tougher ones to make.
Right.
Because you've got to really keep the audience involved. You've got to make sure that they're having a really good time. You've got to make sure that you're a couple of steps ahead of the audience, while making them feel like they're probably ahead of you. So it's you've got to be really smart about this, and it's very important that the right kind of people make it. And I think we've got very lucky that our kind of debut into the world of
Actually,
snazzy
in a way,
is
yes.
with the right kind of people.
Absolutely. So, don't add something?
No, same actually. Cut copy paste type मामला था ये.
Arey.
Because he and Mamta, of course, they both are the masters of this kind of world.
Right.
And you feel safe that nothing will go wrong in their world and on their watch.
Right.
So, yeah.
It's very interesting what you said. When we watch it as an audience, it seems like, it's easy to look good and, just beat up the bad guys. And it's not, right?
It's so difficult.
Is it like, why do you say that? Is it like every time you pass the mirror, you have to think about, how am I looking? Because this is a very different world.
No, I would never like to take that stress. Keep it to the team. क्या अपना तुम देखो ये सब सही जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है. Your director, your everybody who is responsible for that look. अपने आप करो. मुझे नहीं होगा.
मुझे उसमें नहीं पढ़ना. हाँ. Nikita, you want to add something?
No, but that's right. I think if you start worrying about how you're looking, then you really add more stress to your life. Because anyway, as an actor, you're automatically, your brain is synced to taking care of so many things about your dialogues, about your co-actors' dialogues, your mark, your positioning, your light. Now, if you start taking care of your look also, so I guess the idea is you're very blessed when you have a team which is hands down involved and they have their eyes on you. If at all something goes wrong, somebody will come and immediately fix it for you.
Right.
So I guess that's where the credit goes, because these guys, they've done this world so well multiple times. They've done this world in such a way where audience has loved it. Maybe the song, maybe their films. So I guess it's the right space to be in, where you don't have to worry about this aspect. There is somebody out there looking after you. There is a whole team. There's an army of people in their respective departments who are taking care if at all anything is gone here or there.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, very true. But, is it, however, tough sometimes to the three of you to convince makers? Because, see, this is a very stark departure for all of you, right? Matlab, this avatars that we are seeing in all of you for the first time, it's actually for the first time. But is it tough to convince filmmakers that, hey, listen, I can do this too?
The thing is, it's not like we go out there and convince filmmakers that, hey, why don't you do this? Like why don't you cast me in this particular role or something? I guess it's a lot about a decision that a filmmaker makes. There are some who are willing to take that risk to get you out of your the comfort box that you're put into. You know, that little stereotype that you're put into as an actor.
Exactly.
There are very few filmmakers who will take that risk and like get you out of there and say, okay, fine, let's experiment this way.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying all experiments go correct. I'm not saying that all experiments go right. But the risk, the ability to be able to think that way is not something everybody does. And exactly, again, I'm bringing this up. Credit where it's due. They've actually thought of something like this. Like, nobody would imagine Jaideep to be looking like that.
Exactly.
Nobody till date has put me in this, this glamorous looking visual. Nobody's done that. Nobody's actually made Kunal look like this badass cop. So I guess it's just one of those things. When somebody does it, that's when people start seeing. They're
Right,
like,
right.
oh yeah, you can also be this person. So I guess it's one of those. You can't go looking for it. You just have to be hopeful it comes your way.
Yeah, yeah.
And you know what's really interesting, I find as an audience, is that the characters that I really like are the ones where actors are cast against their grain.
Yeah.
You know, like when you see an actor on screen, you've seen him do something repeatedly and then he does something completely different. And you're like, oh my God, this is so interesting. Because like, I mean, I can imagine XYZ playing this, but I never imagined this guy doing this, right? So I find it surprising that filmmakers don't do that more often. Because as an audience, it's always great to see an actor cast against his grain.
Yeah. It's actually pretty delightful for us
I mean,
also.
like Saif, for instance, in Omkara.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, before that, he was this like
Or
rom-com
even
king.
Sacred Games, if you have
And
to.
suddenly you see him as like this Langda Tyagi and you're like,
Such a
man,
rural
why has
characters.
nobody
I
ever
know.
cast him like this?
I
you
know. Absolutely. Very true. But see, we haven't watched the film yet, but one thing we know for sure is there's going to be a lot of twists and turns, things we cannot predict. It's going to be a roller coaster ride.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, but tell me that one plot twist that really happened in your lives, in your careers maybe, that really changed things around, changed the game completely. Let's start with you. एक plot twist life में जो आया और क्या आया?
Dancing in this film. Plot twist.
No, I think when we were making Patal Lok, nobody was that kind of sure कि अच्छा ये बहुत कमाल का कुछ बना रहे हैं. It was like हाँ अच्छी कहानी है. We'll try to make it believable as possible. But the way it was received was totally unbelievable. दूर तो मतलब वैसा कि आप अपने ही डायरेक्टर के साथ बात करते करते इस बात पे इतने शॉक्ड, हैप्पीली शॉक्ड हो कि रो पड़े.
वाओ.
वो मतलब आप दोनों रो पड़े एक साथ कुछ बात करके कि यार पहुंच गई बात. कोई आइडिया ही नहीं था. Quite a big twist actually.
Very big and an unexpected one.
Yes.
Yes. Kunal, for you?
Well, for me, so my first film that I was cast in was a film called Meenakshi.
Yes.
And you know what used to happen? I was an assistant director with Rakesh Mehra. And while I was assisting, I used to do like these odd modeling jobs so that I could make some money. And I had left my photographs at Kunal Kapoor's office.
Oh, yeah.
6 years ago.
Okay, huh.
Like 6 years before this film even happened. And Hussain Saab was looking for somebody with a particular kind of face. And 6 years later, he found these pictures. So I never got work from Kunal Kapoor's office. But 6 years later, Hussain
6
Saab found
years
these
it took.
pictures and he said, you know, I want to cast this guy. And then Rang De Basanti was a film that I was working on as an assistant director.
Right.
Because I was assisting Rakesh on Aks. And Rang De Basanti was being written at that point of time. So I was actually working on the film as an assistant director. And then I went off to Delhi and worked with Barry John and stuff and came back and ended up being in the film. So yeah, it was, you know, it was a very different perspective because you're looking at the film as someone that's going to work on it behind the camera and then suddenly
You're in front of it.
in front of the camera. So yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful. Nikita, what about you?
I think for me, it's if I go a little more back in time and I look at my second year of college, nowhere I ever thought I would be sitting over here today. I was not somebody who always wanted to be an actor. I had no connection. I knew nobody from the industry, absolutely nobody. I had nothing to do with this world. I was somebody who was also always stopped from watching a lot of films because I was raised by very strict parents. So it's one of those things I never thought I would get here. I guess it was this random beauty pageant I ended up taking part in, and then everything just turned around from that. And there went my prep for UPSC, and there went my prep for like doing everything went out of the window, and I've landed up here. So I guess that was the biggest plot twist in my entire career.
But see, it was fate.
Of course. I've embraced it with very happy and grateful, with a very happy and grateful heart.
Right. I want to speak a little bit about Saif. Like you were saying, it's about, for the longest time, there was a certain image, right, that was there. And, Omkara came and it completely changed the game for him. He also comes across as one of those, he's so secure, and he wears his stardom so lightly. And I'm sure, a lot of co-actors, people that have worked with him say that, it's delightful to work with somebody like Saif because he's so secure as an actor. What have you personally picked up from him, if I may ask?
No, he's also, besides being a secure actor, I think he's also someone who personally is very intelligent. And he's somebody who's very sort of curious about trying new things.
Yeah.
So he has been somebody that's experimented a lot. He's done, obviously, Omkara, he's done Sacred Games, Go Goa Gone. It was amazing in that. He did Lal Kaptan, which was just completely out there. So
Dil Chahta mein bhi kamal lagi.
Yeah, Dil Chahta was
timing,
amazing.
That was his breakthrough, I think. Dil Chahta Hai, yes.
So he is somebody I think who's just inherently very smart, exposed to the world, exposed to world cinema, and willing to take a chance, which is great. I think that's and he's a very generous co-actor.
Yeah.
He's somebody who's not trying to steal your spotlight, or he's not trying to like sort of, make it all about himself. Which is very pleasurable to work with.
Yeah. So what was your synergy like with Saif? This is the first
Almost
time you're
like
working.
Same cheese with the energy he's bringing with him on the sets, and that I mean, कभी-कभी बहुत serious scenes होते हैं, but you feel very relaxed because he's around, he's just making jokes and like happy energy.
Right.
That's very important for a set actually.
But you've also worked with Kareena in Jaane Ja. So I want to know from you कि how similar or different do you think they are as artists? मतलब in terms of their approach to the craft. Are they very
I
different?
think मैं इस सवाल का पहले भी सोचा है, मैंने जवाब दिया है, पर मुझे लगता है कि दोनों को पहले मुझे लगता है कुछ एक तरह की स्क्रिप्ट में काम करना पड़ेगा तब समझ में आएगा. बिकॉज जाने जाए स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अलग है.
बहुत अलग है.
उसका जो वहाँ जो एक तो मैं खुद बहुत ही अपने ही उसमें था कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता था, और वो जो हेल्प कर रहा था मुझे, और बाद में जब मैंने बताया तो he was like, oh that's why you're not talking to me. तो she got mad also. और मैं क्या तुम क्या ये कौन सी बात हुई, but it was helping me not to talk to her in terms of that Naren Vyas character.
Right.
And of course पहली फिल्म थी तो और स्मॉल टॉक्स मुझसे होती नहीं है, तो या तो फुल ऑन बातें करते हैं, नहीं तो बट इट वाज जेन्युइनली हेल्पिंग मी. बट आई थिंक वहाँ का जो सिनेरियो था ना वो बहुत बिकॉज ऑफ द सेंस ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट, तो उसकी वजह से बहुत हम शांत थे. यहाँ वो एनर्जी हमारी थोड़ी अलग थी क्योंकि सब थोड़ा सा लार्जर देन लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स हैं, बट प्रिपरेशन जो है वो तरीका तो नहीं बता सकता क्योंकि उनका अपना है, मुझे नहीं पता वो कैसे तैयार करते हैं, बट यू विल फील के लाइक आई हैव नेवर सीन हर विद द स्क्रिप्ट. नो, ऑलवेज रेडी. आई थिंक अपने दिमाग में पूरी तैयारियां करके, बट स्टिल ओपन टू द ऑल द थिंग्स कि अच्छा अगर ऐसा कुछ होगा तो क्या होगा, ऐसा कुछ. तो आई थिंक वो चीज़ दोनों में काफ़ी वो है कि वेल प्रिपेयर्ड for the script, the script writer from the script.
You know, interestingly, during Jaane Ja, Kareena had said this, that when Saif came to know that Kareena will be working with him, Saif apparently said that Kareena, this is not going to be easy. You have to buckle up. He's Jaideep Ahlawat. Such a big compliment.
Yeah, huge.
But you know, before we let you go, I know, sir, बहुत बातें हो चुकी है आपके डांस के बारे में. I just want to know.
एक बार और कर लेते हैं.
Thank you. नहीं, I want to know कि how long did it take for you to pick up the choreography?
6 महीने?
About 6 months
हाँ,
or
कुछ साल
something.
भर।
Yeah, yeah,
6 महीने तो आपको पता है।
हाँ, अच्छा उसके पहले भी
हाँ,
आप
6 घंटे 6 महीने 6 घंटे रोज।
Wow.
बहुत मुश्किल, बहुत मुश्किल.
She
सच
lived
में?
it.
How long I want to know?
6 minutes.
Pro na full.
Full. You know when we had Piyush and Shazia who've done the choreography, their
Right.
assistants come to us and they used to come and like rehearse individually with all of us.
Huh.
So this is me being me. I kept asking, I said, has Jaideep started rehearsing? They were like, no ma'am, he was supposed to rehearse today. I was like, oh, let me know how it goes. The next time I'm like, oh, so Jaideep, how was his rehearsal? No ma'am, he didn't rehearse. He's saying he'll do it tomorrow. I'm sitting and thinking, I'm like, how is he going to manage? How is he going to do this? And then finally we all saw him on set and we were just like, oh, let's just sit back. This
So
is
then
something I
how
didn't
long
like
did
to
you?
do.
We didn't get our answer.
See, मैं एक बार जो प्रवीण शायद नाम था, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, वो जो मुझे पहले दिन जब मुझे बताने आया और मेरे पास वो एक सवा घंटा था, बीच में कहीं से कहीं भाग रहा था मैं, तो मैंने उसको ही बोला भाई तू एक बार 5-7 बार करके दिखा दे मुझे।
हाँ.
तो वो खड़ा और मैं काउंटिंग कर रहा हूँ कि कितने स्टेप कहाँ कितने, इट्स लाइक स्क्रिप्ट की जो रीडिंग होती है ना, मैं
Right.
एग्जैक्टली वैसे कर रहा था। मैंने
Right.
कहा अभी मैं एक बार दिमाग, क्योंकि अभी तू करवाता रहेगा मैं दूसरे स्टेप पे नहीं जा पाऊंगा,
हाँ.
क्योंकि मुझे शब्द याद नहीं है।
हाँ. हाँ.
अगर 10 लाइन याद करनी तो शब्द तो पता होना चाहिए किसके बाद कौन सा आ रहा है। तो मैंने एग्जैक्टली वही किया उसके साथ। वो उसको बेचारे को ज्यादा नचाया, वो बोलता वो करता गया, मैं याद करता गया, फिर साथ साथ उसके पीछे खड़ा हो गया, बस सुन रहे कि 1 2 3 1 2 3 ये चल रहा था। अब वो फिर उसके बाद मेरे साथ पूरा दिन रहे वो म्यूजिक और वो स्टेप्स वो लगातार चलते रहे। तो इट बिकम अ मेमोरी, बिकॉज नाच शादी पार्टियों में नाच लेते हैं ना हम सब।
हाँ, वो तो
आप
नहीं,
बस उसको
but
स्टेप्स
तो
में
अलग
लाना
हुए
है।
थोड़ा। हाँ.
आप पार्टी में तो कुछ भी नाच लो, यहाँ बीट पे पकड़ना है। तो वो थोड़ा सा स्केरी पार्ट था।
हाँ. हाँ.
यार ये थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, बट थैंक गॉड हो गया। हमारी टीम बहुत अच्छी थी, बचा लिया उन्होंने।
मुझे बस ये जानना है कि विजय वर्मा ने बोला था कि लास्ट आपको ऐसे नाचते हुए हमने FTI के फ्रेशर पार्टी में देखा था।
हाँ,
तो वो पार्टी में क्या हुआ सबको जानना है अभी।
नहीं क्योंकि उसके बाद उसको वैसा कुछ मौका मिला नहीं। हम उसके बाद हम भी बड़े हो गए लाइफ में, या बॉम्बे की स्ट्रगल में सब घुस गए।
हाँ.
तो नाचने के मौके थोड़े कम मिले साथ में।
राइट.
बट फ्रेशर पार्टी पे तो आप FTI में आए हो, आपका जो सत्संग पीरियड है वो भी खत्म हो गया है, तो उस दिन तो आप नाचते हो खुल के एकदम, क्योंकि आपके सीनियर उस दिन वो एकदम खत्म हो जाता है, सीनियर जूनियर वाला 1 महीने बाद सब खत्म हो जाता है।
Right.
1 महीने तक सीनियर जूनियर चलता है थोड़ा बहुत। तो वही लिखा था कि एला यार फ्रेशर पार्टी में देखा था ये सब करते हुए, उसके बाद बहुत वक्त बीत गया, बस जस्ट ऐसे ही बाय चांस उसके बाद कहीं।
Lastly, Kunal, you know, it's such a delight for us to watch you on the screen because it's been a while. We haven't seen you. Will we see you doing films more often? What stops you from doing
Nothing
more?
stops me except for like the kind of scripts I get, actually, honestly.
Yeah.
I mean, I love being on a set. It's my favorite thing. I've been on a set in many different capacities, right from a production assistant to assistant director to actor, obviously. So I love being on a set, but it's just, you know, the kind of work that you get offered. And this is a time where, you know, I was just saying that when I started off, it was a time for people that fit in. Fortunately enough, it is a time for misfits now, the ones that are more unconventional, and hopefully, you know, with a lot of like unconventional work happening, some of that comes my way as well.
Great. But this is a great time, and thank you so much to all of you. Good luck for Jewel Thief. Looking forward to watching this
Thank you.
Thank you.
fun
Thank you
film.
so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.